Guys, in my today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 tips regarding the IELTS speaking part 1. Friends, always remember that part 1 is a very generalized, part 1 will be having very generalized questions. The questions about you and where are you from, what are you doing now, so tell me about yourself. So please be prepared for these type of questions before you take the test. So these are very generalized questions. These are very general questions that you can easily answer with, but give them the answers with a lot of by using good vocabularies and everything. So I will make separate videos for all that types of other types of criterias, like which you have to take care for the IELTS speaking test. As of now, in this video, I'm going to give you 3 tips. So my tip number 1 is don't generalize the topic. So what do you mean by generalizing the topic? Guys, when the examiner asks you, do you like to ride a bicycle? For example, let's say, if the examiner is asking you, do you like to ride a bicycle? Yes, I love to ride a bicycle. You will start with this, with a sentence like this, right? But moving further, what you tend to do is you will generalize the topic, like cycling is good for health, and you get deviated from the topic, which is not advisable, and you also add points about your friends riding the bicycle or your brother riding the bicycle and so on. So this, we shouldn't do this for the questions that are asked about you. So for example, can you see the question here? Is it important to you to eat healthy food? So what does it mean? What is the question asking you? It is asking you from your perspective, what do you think? Is it important to you to eat healthy food? Then you should speak about how it is important for you to eat healthy food. Okay? So when you speak, please don't get deviated from the topic and speak all the points that is related only to you. Okay? That is focusing. You must be your focus. So when they are asking some questions, is it important to you? Then from your perspective, what is your opinion? So give only your opinion and stay focused on the topic question. Okay? So this is my tip number 1. Tip number 2, using synonyms. So what do you mean by using synonyms? If they are giving you a question, if the examiner is asking you a question like, is it important to you to eat healthy food, then just don't copy, yes, it is important for me to eat healthy food. So the examiner will think that you're not able to paraphrase the question. What do you mean by paraphrasing? Paraphrasing means you're answering the question with the words similar to the words that are in the question. So if they are asking, is it important to you to eat healthy food, then you can answer like, yes, it is vital that we take healthy meals for our breakfast, lunch and dinner. I always love to eat healthy food which is good in carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals. So you should use a good mixture of synonyms for the same word, healthy food, important. So all these words have different meanings in English, like the different words. See, if you take the word important, so important, it has similar words that gives the same meaning, like crucial means important, vital means important. Okay, so it is always good for you to have have in your mind, or you should focus on this synonyms. Really, you should know the synonyms for general words like this, so it will be very useful for you during this speaking part. Number 3, from your own experience. So speak from your own experience. So what do you mean by speaking from your own experience? Guys, let's take, do you pay attention to public information? The third question is, do you pay attention to public information about health? Why not? So they are again asking, do you pay attention? Okay, so guys, remember that if you are a person who really pays attention to public information, then start your answer like, yes, I love to watch, I love to get updates about the public information about the health. Okay, so start like that. If when you are a person, if you really pay attention to public information. Okay, on the other hand, if you are a person who don't really pay attention to public information, then be very sure about your answer and just say no. Like you cannot rather than saying no to this answer, you can start with yes, paying attention to public information is one of the important thing that we need to do. However, I don't pay that much attention to this type of topics because I'm interested in the sports topics and films. So please be truthful to the question and be natural when you speak. So guys, when they ask a question like this, if you map this question to your own experience, definitely you are going to speak very naturally and you don't really need to cook up your answer. Okay, because when you make stories to answer for a question, it will be very difficult for you to give your answers. But when you talk from your own experience, definitely it's going to be very easy for you, okay, to map the questions with your sentences, your answer sentences. You really don't get blank at some time, so you will have a great flow of your speech. Okay, so guys, please remember that part 1 is the part where you can showcase your speaking skills to the examiner. So take this part 1 very seriously, and I will say you another I would like to share with you about another important information, that guys, the examiner will not they will not analyze your whole speech, rather than they will get impressed when you start speaking in the part 1. So part 1 is a hook for them about you. Okay, how do you start with, how fluently you can speak. They can easily assess you in the part 1 of speaking test. So be very confident when you take this part 1 section of IELTS speaking. So for today I have given these 3 tips. Guys, there are a lot more videos I am planning to make regarding the IELTS speaking test. So if you feel that this video was useful for you, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the further notifications. And please comment in the comment section about the topic you are interested in, so that I can take your input and make the videos according to that. Thank you.